Hey, I'm Jover with Embody. Let's get moving with this dance cardio workout, shall we? Throw those hands up. There we go. Getting that party started. Elevator right into that clap. Let's get ready to pump it. Pump it. That's it. Throw it up. Let's go. To the side. As I enter the room, everybody's chilling as I set up the groove. Pumping up the volume with this brand new beat. Everybody's dancing and they're dancing for me. Pump it out with me. I'm your operator, you can call anytime. I'll be your connection to the party. You ready to pump it up? Let's go, pump it up. Great job, y'all. Way to move with us. Looking good, feeling good. Great job.